Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss about how can we use Excel for comparing population mean. For example, we have taken two samples from two population. Sample 1, number of students appearing in joint entrance examination from state government sponsored school, and sample 2 is taken number of students appearing in joint entrance examination from various private schools of India. Now the null hypothesis is that there is no population mean difference between the government and private school students who are appearing in joint entrance examination. So naturally the alternative hypothesis is if there is no mean difference, there is some difference. It may be mu1 less than mu2 or mu1 greater than mu2. Mu1 may be taken that number of the mean of population of students that the appearing for joint entrance examinations from the government sponsored school, and mu2 is the next one. That means the students appearing in joint entrance examination from the private school. How can we proceed with the help of Excel? This is the objective of this video. How can we proceed? As we know that we have to go to data, then data analysis. This is t-test assuming unequal variances. So in our example this is unequal variances. Okay, variable 1, we get the variable 1, select the variable 1. Similarly variable 2 range, give variable 2, that means sample 2 range up to this extent. Labels, since we have highlighted the sample, so hypothesized mean difference definitely should be 0. There is no difference. So null hypothesis. So click OK. Okay, this is the result through Excel. We got the result. Now we have to explain this result for this type of problem. If we want to solve with the help of Excel, the mean value is given, variances are given, number of observations are given. That means it is not necessary to take equal number of sample from each category. So hypothesized mean, degree of freedom, t statistic, and the probability p value of t statistics 1 tail, t critical range, t value for 2 tail, and t critical 2 tail. Naturally we have the p value here is for 1 tail, it is significant. Since it is significant in 1 tail, that definitely rejects the null hypothesis, that it is not our findings suggests that there exists some mean difference among the students appearing in joint entrance examinations from government sponsored or government aided school as well as from the private school. So on the basis as a whole or from the angle of the population, there exists some mean difference. Now since this is negative, so naturally t statistics is negative, naturally the value of t statistics lies to the left of the origin. If it is this is origin, if this is origin, so left of this is left tail or 1 tail, like this at this point or something like this. Okay, that means that mu1 is less than mu2. That means the number of students appearing in joint entrance examination from the government aided school is less than the number of students appearing in joint entrance examination from the private school. So from 1 tail t test we can able to say on the basis of this p value, significant p value, there lies a significant difference between the two sample. That's all. Thank you. Hello. Now we are going to analyze another test that is known as paired t test. In this test we have taken the sample from 10 individuals using motorcycle, and the mileage per liter has been counted. So once they are using Indian oil, and after that they are using the Reliance oil. So our objective is to investigate that does there exist any mean difference, that means any difference in the mileage per liter between these two population, Indian oil as well as Reliance oil. Since the same individual is selected and the data collected pairwise from the same individual, okay, once he has used this oil and after the completion of this petrol he has again used this petrol, Reliance oil, and counted the mileage. In this way we have hypothetically we have taken 10 respondents and the 10 pair of the mileage, kilometer per liter. Now our null hypothesis is that there is no difference in mileage between these two, Indian oil as well as Reliance oil. Naturally, the null alternative hypothesis, there is a difference of mileage between these two. So how can we perform this test? As usual, we have to go to data analysis, go to t-test pair to sample for means. Okay, click the input range, first one, give the input range for the second one, this one. Now hypothesize mean difference is 0 since, okay, label output range, okay, give okay. The output has come. The output. Okay, the output shows that the mean value, the variance, the number of observations, the correlation, hypothesized mean difference is 0, degree of freedom 9, t statistic is this, the probability of one tail is this, the t critical value is this, probability of two tail is this. Now this shows that the t test is significant, the t value is significant, one tail t test is significant. It implies, since this is positive, that means mu1 is greater than mu2. Mu1 means mean, population mean of the first category. First category is Indian oil. So first category is Indian oil. We have to go to next one, population mean PRT. That first sample is mileage with Indian oil. So mu1 greater than mu2, that implies that in case of one tail the t value will rise to the right of the origin, and that means the Indian oil mileage is greater than the mileage with Reliance oil. Mileage, so t statistic is t 3.03. One tail is significant, the p value is significant. Here we can draw this conclusion that with respect to, as far as the population is concerned, population means Indian oil versus Reliance oil, so there is the mean difference is there, or average mileage or mileage per liter of petrol differs if we use Indian oil as well as if we use Reliance oil. And according to this with respect to this data, the findings suggests that Indian oil, the performance of Indian oil is better than Reliance oil. That's all. Thank you.